I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Connecting a new device on Acorns can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Acorns app. Launch the Acorns app on your new device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the process. Step 2. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Verify your identity. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a two-factor authentication method. Check your email or SMS for the verification code and enter it in app. Step 4. Sync your accounts. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu and select Account Sync. Follow the prompts to connect any bank accounts or investment accounts you want to link. Step 5. Confirm device connection. After syncing, check that your new device is listed under your account settings. This ensures that you can access your account from this device in the future. If you encounter any issues, make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. Happy investing!